guys, this is Joeteck from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and we have another Solla product. This one is battery only. It uses 3 D-size batteries, and not sure if you guys are aware, but alkaline D-size batteries are 13,000 milliamps a piece. This bad boy has the same features as the solar power one, except the lumens output is lower. So 100, 350, and 750 in that order. Same instruction manual and mounting hardware as the last one. It looks to be the same size. Looks like it's identical to the other one. Twist left and right. The motion sensor moves just like the other one. It looks very similar, except it does not have a port for the charger. Nope, it's blank. So there's no electronics in here for charging purposes. So this is the same thing except lower lumens. Same installation process. If you're interested in that light, I'll have a link for it right here. You can check out this light in the solar portion of it. Okay, the lights are off. That's 100 lumens. 300. So that's 750 lumens. 350 lumens. 100 lumens. That's pretty impressive. I'm impressed. If you have this on, if you notice the light shutting off, if you're still in the location, there are 4 settings here. You have distance, detect, time, and dim. All right, so those 4 settings have to be set correctly. And the detect is an interesting setting. Okay, so that one must be either M, L, or D. And those are, just so you're aware, you have moderate light mode, low light mode, and dark light mode. So if your area is 100% dark, put it in the dark mode. If you have it in low light mode, there is light, but not a lot, then you turn it on low light mode. That's the L. And then the moderate light mode is like kind of in the medium. There's a little bit of light, not a lot of light, but it's like that kind of scenario. So if your light is like going on and then off and then, and then on again quickly, that means you have the mode set incorrectly. And that's important to realize. This is really cool. I'm in awe. I'm totally in awe. I can't believe how incredible this thing is. It really is. It's great. Absolutely incredible. We're going to mount the light now. And since we need to have enough space on top to slide this in and lock in place, so I'm going to mount it right here, because we need to have enough space for this to go on top like so we can clip it in. So we need enough. We need enough room. So we want to make sure that we have enough clearance for this. Clearance. We are using the included hardware. There we go. And we can see in here. And she can see in here when she comes in here. Let's see. So that's 150 lumens right now. And we can change that to 750, which is crazy bright. 350, 150. It's pretty impressive. Let me turn this around so you can see. Remember, this is a shed, so there's a bunch of crap in here. It's not crap, but you know what I mean? Stuff. So we can clearly see what we're doing. Clearly. This is at 150 lumens. 150. That's nuts. So we're going to probably leave it on 150 lumens because it actually works out perfect. We can see perfectly fine. But I just want to show you the difference though, just so you can see. 750 if you want to get a tan. 350. You maybe might leave it on this because this is 150. It looks like it's just bright enough to see, But if you need to look through something, you probably won't be able to find it. So maybe 350 may be the better point. So if I need to look, so if I wanted to look into like this tote or something like that, I would be able to see. So that's what probably end up doing. So there we go. Done deal. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. This is really cool. I'm in awe. I'm totally in awe. I can't believe how incredible this thing is. It really is. It's great.